ready for the lottery?
We are group 10, sir. Yeah. So now 9, not 9, there are 10 groups.
Yeah. नहीं 9 already assigned था तो अभी भी ग्रुप तो 9 ही है पहले 10 में से एक हटा के 9 कर रहे हैं ना
मुझे आके बोला कि आपका ग्रुप नंबर 10
हाँ 10 तक तो था ही इट वाज प्लान्ड प्लीज ट्राई टू वाइंड अप बिकॉज मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आई कैन गो ऑन टिल टुमारो मॉर्निंग नो हैसल्स कंसल्टेंट्स में बहुत एनर्जी होती है तो आप अपना सोच के जितना टाइम लगा सकते हैं वो करिए मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है आपको लेट होगा बिकॉज एक फॉर्मल प्रोसेस तो करना है पूरा And kindly, before you come back to your seats, kindly decide who will be, in case your group name gets picked up, number, please decide who will present. The entire group can come, so that, बाद में confusion ना हो. Spend a minute to decide, in case our group comes, we will all come on stage, but one person will present. हाँ मैक्सिमम क्या बोला था आपने 145 मैक्सिमम टाइम क्या बोला था एंडिंग का नहीं मतलब फिर भी मतलब एक टाइम तो देना पड़ेगा 145 करके चलेंगे तभी वो 2 तक खत्म होगा ना इसलिए 15 मिनट पहले ही रखते हैं हम 145 तो हमारे पास 1 घंटा 1.25 घंटा है ओके मे आई प्लीज प्रेशराइज यू टू कंप्लीट एंड मे बी कम बैक टू योर सीट्स But before that, please decide, in case any group number comes, all of the people will be expected to be on stage, but one of them will present in the interest of time and avoiding confusion. So decide that and then come back to your seats. You remember your group numbers or no? You remember your group numbers? हाँ अगर इकट्ठे बैठे रहना चाहते हैं no problem, बस सीधे लाइन में बैठ जाइए फिर no problem. That's fine, perfectly fine, and that's logical in fact. एक एक ग्रुप एक एक लाइन में बैठ जाएं, no problem. But I hope you remember your group numbers. आपको याद है सर कौन सा ग्रुप नंबर किसका था? पता चला जिस ग्रुप का उठाया कोई और ग्रुप आ गई प्रेजेंट करने या उन्होंने मना कर दिया. Okay, are we all ready? All the best to all the groups. I know all of you have done a wonderful job. I have no doubt in there. But only in the interest of time we are shortening the process. As I said, that normal process, all the members, when we do a visioning exercise, they all belong to one organization. Here you have the advantage of getting to know from the others also, who are exposed to different working situations. So you have that additional factor. And let us try and decide today here that in this group we will evolve a model which will be relevant for many B schools together. It will be a generalized kind of model, and that's why we need all of your inputs. It can go as a creation of this group, this particular program. So that will be wonderful. Okay, so are we ready for the lottery? Right? मनीष जी आप और हिना मिलके इसको करिए जो भी हाँ जैसे भी करना है ले जाइए जैसे भी करना है Okay, announce the group. First presentation. Group number 10. Yes, yes. आइए group 10. Please, all of you come. One of you may present. Group number 7. कौन है 7? Okay, great. Okay.
You also belong to this group?
What happened? Come here.
So just we have to sign, that's all.
Okay, as you wish. But I like that sense of honesty that, I have not contributed that much, so I should not be there. I respect your opinion on that. And not many people in today's world are like that, like ma'am. They will say, last में आके भी हमारा नाम होना चाहिए, present मैं करूँ, ताकि नाम मेरा हो. Right? So, thank you so much for that stance. Okay, please, and maybe we have 2 or 3 quick questions in case you have any after this. Right? Okay, all yours, all the very best.
Good afternoon to you all. As we have assigned a task to get the vision and mission statement, after a brainstorming session between us, we come to a conclusion and we have drawn a vision statement first. The vision statement is to become a forward-looking B school with very strong integration with the corporate world and produce world-class managers, leaders, and entrepreneurs.
Excellent. I like the last part. Entrepreneurs, no business school thinks of that. They should be thinking of that. Fantastic.
And the mission statement is, the mission of Alpha V School is to produce world-class young managers, leaders, and entrepreneurs by engaging with the industry for curriculum design and delivery, by hiring faculty with significant corporate exposure, adopting the best teaching methods, and creating a strong and vibrant alumni network.
Excellent. Both statements you have ended beautifully. The entire statement is good because this is another shortcoming. If your alumni network is strong, your placements will not be a problem. Let's face it, So, good, great. Any questions you have to this group? Any doubt? So, no questions means either you have understood everything, which is what I presume, or you have not understood anything, which is what I don't presume, right?
And which is
Okay.
unlikely.
Which is unlikely. That's why I said I am not presuming that.
Right. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kindly tell your names. That is important.
Okay. Myself, Pramod Kumar Nayak,
From
from BLS Institute of Technology Management. I am presently pursuing my PhD from Utkal University, and also I am an entrepreneur. I am having one Indian Oil petrol pump.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. नहीं चल रहा.
Dr. S. Nayak, I think I don't need an introduction, it has been already given. Yesterday and day before I was one of the presenters, so I don't need an introduction. Yes, sir.
I'm Dr.
Thank
Lenin,
you.
Professor of Purple Advanced Studies. I'm Dr. Lenin, working as a professor in this institute
You
itself.
can use that mic then.
I'm Dr. Lenin, professor from Rukmini Devi Institute of Advanced Studies.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. Very good. Okay, group 7, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are Group 7. Our vision is to be amongst highly reputed institutions among industry and provide industry-ready professionals and leaders.
Oh, I like that term. Industry-ready professionals. Wonderful.
And our mission would be identifying and polishing the talent of each student to match the industry standards by adopting world-class teaching professionals.
Excellent. Each student. That's what is the key. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Uh,
In fact, that's the way I look at talent management. Yesterday only I was talking in a class and I said that talent management is about identifying the best and giving out the best is one part, but identifying the not so good and making them great, that is the second part of talent management, which lot of people don't do, right? Good, great. Every student, that's wonderful. Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm a graduate for BBA from Bhai Permanent Institute of Business Studies.
Oh, excellent. You are still a student. That's what I thought, that you look faculty. Wonderful. That's further addition, feather in your cap. Yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Pallav Kaushik, a faculty from BPIBS, Bhai Permanent Institute of Business Studies.
Excellent.
I am currently taking marketing and finance as subject over there. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Yes, good morning everybody. Myself, Professor Asjad Usmani from Chandiwala. I am assistant professor in HRM and marketing. Earlier I was associated with Delhi Poverty Council as a trainer in
Okay.
HR.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Rekha Daya. I'm currently working with Banarsidas Chandiwala Institute of Professional Studies, Dwarka. I work there as an assistant professor marketing and currently pursuing PhD from Uttarakhand Technical University in digital marketing.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
I am Garima Sharma from BPIBS, student of third semester.
Which college you said?
Bhai Permanent.
Bhai.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditi Pathak, student of BPIBS studying BBA third semester.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Wonderful for the group and particularly the students. I must admire their contribution, especially. Thank you so much. Okay, so I am sure the other groups would have, please. Since there's a request, we can, but what if the fourth one also comes up? I would love to, but then you should be willing to spend some extra time. Please come.
Hello, good afternoon to one and all. Our vision is transformation through quality education to develop world-class leaders. And the mission is to incubate professionals for sustainable and innovative leadership in changing business environment who create value for the society.
Excellent.
And the objectives are to develop students to become next generation entrepreneur, to train students to be better professionals, to recruit best faculty in this industry, bridging industry academia gap, and last objective is to motivate new entrepreneurial activities who will create value for society development. And our strategy, no doubt strategy is according to sir, where to play and how to win. And
Wonderful.
the main points of our strategy is on-job training, study with the help of live case studies, role plays, live projects, and to induct students.
Excellent. And I like the usage of the word next. As you must be noticing, there are lots of companies and lots of slogans that are coming up which says they are not talking of best practices. They are only saying next practices, because best practices, there are no best practices. Tomorrow they will again change and something else will become best. So what are the next practices? And that word has been used quite a bit. That's wonderful.
Myself, Isha Jain, Assistant Professor, School of Management, GD Goenka University, Gurgaon. I'm specialized in finance as well as I'm coordinating for guest lectures and industrial visits for the university. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Well, I'm Flight Lieutenant Dr. Renu Lamba. I've come here from Punjab University, Chandigarh. My specialization is Operation and Finance.
Excellent. And we always salute the armed forces. So, one of the best organizations that you can ever have. That's wonderful.
My name is Ashank and I am a student of GD Goenka University, Gurgaon, BBA first semester.
Oh, that's excellent. First semester, that too BBA, wonderful.
Good afternoon everyone. Kirti this side. Currently I am working at BLS Institute of Technology Management as an assistant professor. School of Management Department, and I'll be coordinating visits and all, and I'll be taking finance and operations subject. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sandeep. I'm presently an entrepreneur. Basically, from my venture is Vision Simplified. I want to add some verses here to you. अब धीरे धीरे यहाँ का मौसम बदलने लगा है, वातावरण जो सो रहा था अब आंख मलने लगा है, पिछले सफर की ना पूछो एक छूटा हुआ सा रथ है, जो रुक गया था कहीं और अब साथ चलने लगा है.
Oh.
Thank you, sir.
India through the ages has been this. We have been right there, then we came down, now we are on the upswing again. So that's the India story. Wonderful. Very nicely put. Thank you so much. Okay, I am really sorry about the other groups. I am sure they would have done wonderful work, and let's try and consolidate that as is the aim. So, if you have any comments or questions at this stage, let us have it, and then we move on, because I want to structure it a little bit further so that you have a model to work on. Ideas are all yours. We as consultants only provide some kind of a model or a process which will help in consolidating the ideas, systematically putting them together. That's about it, you know. Right. So we move on from there. On me. अभी करता हूँ आपको. So I always try and give a lot of material in the slides, because I don't believe in giving too many lengthy handouts, because I believe in the principle that the amount of matter read is inversely proportional to the amount of matter given. That always happens, you know, when you have very good bound book, oh, this is fantastic and we must keep it safely, and once it enters the almirah, it is never coming out from there. So therefore, you know, I try to pack in as much material in the slides, and I walk you through some of them which are key slides, and the rest is of course for an intelligent participant group like yours, that's not a problem. So I'll just quickly skip through this. Okay. So ultimately we have to come to a framework within which we put our ideas so that they become workable, right? And the idea generation part you have already done, and the 3 examples that we saw here have been just fantastic, and there's absolutely no reason why the other 7 groups also would not have similar ideas. So what is the resolution framework? As you can see, I have called it the problem or the issue resolution framework. Why I have used 2 words here? Thank you, dear. Because when we sit down to work on a management issue, it may actually be a problem that we are trying to solve, but sometimes it may not be a problem. For example, as a marketing, if we take a marketing example, you may have a product which is doing exceedingly well in the south. You have captured a lot of market share and you are very well down there, but now you want to come up to the north and you want to launch it in the north. So now this is not a problem really, this is an issue. It's a very positive issue that you want to expand, you want to go global, for instance. So therefore, whatever is the problem or the issue in hand, we have to resolve it through a framework is the idea. So we need to do systematic analysis, which is what you have been doing, and then you have arrived at, and I am sure if more time is given and as you carry it your place of work or home, on getting more and more ideas to work on, so that a proposed solution, this is the key, of the assigned problem or issue by the individual groups, including the implementation evaluation. To know, Indians are world over for excellent planning, but terrible execution. Terrible execution, right? And this is one more area, and certainly not the only one, where the armed forces excel. Remember 2010 Commonwealth Games, full of lot of problems of this. Who was called in? The armed forces. In Jammu and Kashmir, when the floods come in, who is called in? Government is not seen anywhere, the administration is seen anywhere, it is the armed forces who come. Every difficult situation, ones who come to the fore and handle. Implementation is very, very important. Without implementing, the never give results. The problem with we Indians, we are excellent in our thought processes, but is terrible. So we need to look at that, as also the evaluation, whether we are back or we need to change. That will come out only out from the that we do repeatedly. So every now and then, and look back at what we have, for what we have achieved, why we have not, and how to go about it from there. Very, very important. Milestone date. A plan without no meaning. I will do MBA. कब करो? कर लेंगे. आगे करें. This, mind you, is part of our culture. Grow up. Have you ever heard anybody say, मैं तेरे घर वेडनेसडे को 5:30 बजे आऊंगा, अगले हफ्ते आएंगे, अगले महीने आएंगे, एंड दैट अगला हफ्ता आई एम क्वाइट श्योर, पार्डन माई सेइंग दिस, विल गो फ्रॉम कमिटमेंट. अरे अब नाउ वी विल बी इन टच, वी मस्ट आवर ईमेल्स, दिस थिंग दैट थिंग, एंड वी मस्ट interact once a month or once a quarter, whatever. Nothing ever happens after that. So we need to realize that everything has a milestone date, and I am reminded 3 days in my career with DCM, where I started training. Later on, I headed the HRD. So Lala Charatram, super boss that is, and for him, the 31st December date was nowhere. Are you talking about 31st October, so that if anything goes wrong on 31st of, you still have 2 months. Of course, not for every project, depending on the size of the project, you have that many days or that many weeks, whatever. So you cannot always plan like that. So even a small planning, I find it very, very interesting when on a panel, I have been in so many panels globally in the country, chairman with so much of everything, if there is 1 hour for the discussion, panel discussion, and 3, he will 20 minutes for each speaker. Now that is, once you give 20 minutes, they will take 30 anyway. And then what happens? You have forgotten that somebody has to be introduced, that will take 2 to 3 minutes each. Somebody has to be given a memento, or a bouquet or a planter to begin with. Then there is a transition time between finishing and the other speaker walking up. Where are those times? And we talk of planning, organizing, as the first 2 functions of management. Similarly, students, anybody entering late into my class, and I have very interesting examples there. So I purposely grill them in front of the other students. One is to drill some sense into them, and the second is to drill some sense into the other students also. That, what do I do? Okay, तुम सर लेट, कहाँ रहते हो, कितना डिस्टेंस है, सर 4 किलोमीटर, कैसे आते हो, सर मोबाइल से आता हूँ, कितने देर पहले चले थे, सर 10 मिनट पहले चला था. Then I ask him, मैंने कहा एक बात सुनो, 4 किलोमीटर 10 मिनट तो तुमने कैलकुलेट कर लिया, पर इस 4 किलोमीटर में तुमने कभी ये कैलकुलेट किया कि सुभाष प्लेस से रिठाला तक कितने सारे रेड लाइट आते हैं हर 300 गज पे? उन रेड लाइट्स पे रुकना, फिर वो जो जोकर ड्राइवर्स हैं जो ऐसे पास करते हैं तुम्हारे सामने से बिना हेलमेट के, दोज जोकर्स, उनके लिए आपने प्रोविजन रखा. कौन सा बंदा आपके सामने कूद पड़ेगा ये आपने रखा। डिड यू एवर रियलाइज कि आप जितना क्लास टाइम के पास पहुंचेंगे उतनी आपकी मोबाइल की पार्किंग कॉलेज के बाहर दूर मिलेगी, उतना आपको वॉक करना है। डिड यू एवर रियलाइज कि गेट में घुसते ही अगर आपको डीजी या डायरेक्टर मिल गए तो क्या आप उनको हेलो हाय भी नहीं करोगे? वेयर आर दोस टाइम? देन आपने कभी कैलकुलेट किया कि दरवाजे से गेट से क्लास तक पहुंचने में आपको कितना टाइम लगता है? आई डू ऑल दिस कैलकुलेशन इन द क्लास इन फ्रंट ऑफ एवरीबडी, सो दैट वो रट के प्लानिंग मीन्स दिस ऑर्गेनाइजिंग मीन्स दिस करके नहीं चलेगा भाई। अनदर चैपी, मेट्रो से आता हूं सर, कितना देर लगता है मेट्रो में? आधा घंटा लगता है। कितनी देर पहले चले थे? 35 मिनट पहले चले थे। तुमने कभी कैलकुलेट किया तुम्हारे घर से मेट्रो स्टेशन जाने में कितनी देर लगती है? मेट्रो के एस्केलेटर चढ़ने में या सीढ़ी चढ़ने में कितनी देर लगती है? मेट्रो का जहां चेंज करते हो वहां एक प्लेटफॉर्म से दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म जाने में कितना टाइम लगता है? फिर यहां उतर के तुम्हें यहां आने में कितनी देर लगती है? If you have not done that, then you are not a manager, as simple as that. And that is where, an academic course and a professional course has to be different. That's why I said we were lucky to have some professors at FMS who really turned us on our heads. And that's where we started learning. And you will find the first 3 names when I come to the thanks part of it are of those professors who played a key role in changing our mindsets. So we need to look at these perspectives from that. Dr. Manish Madan was very worried when I told him that